Tonight, I'm going on a hot date with my wife, but since most restaurants don't make keto desserts, I decided to make a couple of my own. In this video, we're gonna make keto cannolis and chocolate-covered strawberries. Afterwards, we're gonna fast forward to my date to see how it all turned out. For the cannoli shells, start with shredded mild cheddar flattened out onto a plate. Then microwave it until all sides are golden brown, just like that. This takes about 2.5 minutes. As you can see, I then waste no time scraping it off the plate and then carefully molding it into a cannoli shell. You have a very short window before the cheese hardens, so be delicate, but be quick. For the next step, use your favorite sugar-free chocolate chips and put them in the microwave for 20 seconds first, and then at 10-second intervals until you get this nice smooth consistency. Be careful not to overdo it or your chocolate will harden. Now simply dip the shells into the chocolate and then using a butter knife, sprinkle the chocolate just like that. While the cannoli is cooled in the fridge, we can go ahead and melt down some more chocolate to make chocolate-covered strawberries. Chocolate-covered strawberries are quite possibly the easiest and most satisfying of all keto desserts. My wife absolutely loves them, and as you can see, there really is nothing to it. After you're finished dipping them, melt down some white chocolate and again, using a butter knife, sprinkle using left and right swinging motions for that professional striped effect. Then let them cool and voila, chocolate-covered strawberries. For the cannoli filling, start with the highest quality ricotta you can find. It makes a world of a difference. The next step calls for powdered sweetener. You don't want granulated because otherwise you're gonna be crunching on it. With powdered, you'll get the sweetened flavor without messing with the texture. Now, you can buy powdered sweetener or make it yourself. I like to make it. It's more fun. You can use allulose or pure cane. And if you've watched my videos, you know I'm a fan of pure cane. I am using a Vitamix, one of the best investments I've made in my keto journey, but any high quality blender should work. Just be sure that it's completely dry before you use it. Come on, how awesome is that? When sweetening the ricotta, be careful not to overdo it, especially since you're adding chocolate chips, which lends the sweetness all of its own. Once you're happy with your chocolate chip to ricotta ratio, make a makeshift pipette using a Ziploc bag stuffed with one corner cut off for piping the filling. Cannolis are especially rich desserts, even more so knowing that the crust is made of cheese. So don't expect to eat more than one, especially after dinner. Oh, and if you're worried about the flavor of the cheese, don't be. It's completely masked by the chocolate and all of the other flavors going on in this dish. Garnished with a little bit of powdered sugar, and you're all set. Now, I called the restaurant ahead of time, and they said they'd be happy to surprise my wife by serving what we make today. Wish me luck. Go ahead, baby. Look at that. The restaurant brought the desserts out. That looks amazing.
Really good.
Keto cannoli, baby. And chocolate-covered strawberries. Heck yeah, I did.
Heck yeah, you did. Ah. Who does this?
Look at you, you're so pretty. Look at you, you're so pretty.
He made dessert and brought it to the restaurant.
I love you so much. Get in there, have a bite.
No,
I need to see your face when you taste it. I live for that expression.
There's no knife.
Just have a bite. Look at that. You're so pretty. Keto Crush. Eat healthy, feel great, look hot.